Раз.
Саламатсыз. Басай береміз.
Саламатсыз.
Today see the radiation and the applause. Радиация және олардың ағымдары. Plan of the lecture. Лекцияның жоспары. Дәрістің жоспары. The radiation are source of energy. Радиация бұл энергияның көзі. Types of radiation. Радиацияның түрлері. Direct solar radiation. Бұл күннің тура түсетін радиациясы. Solar constant. Бұл күннің константасы. Diffuse solar radiation. Бұл күннің өзінің радиациясы. The total solar radiation. Күннің жалпы радиациясы. Reflected solar radiation. Бұл күннің шағылысқан радиациясы. Albedo. Also albedo болып қалады. On the radiation of the earth. Бұл жердің өзінің радиациясы. Counter-atmospheric radiation. Бұл атмосфера радиацияның қарсы радиациясы. Атмосфераның қарсы радиациясы. Effective radiation. Бұл эффективтік радиация. The sun absorbs energy of natural process. Sun main source of energy for almost the process developing in the atmosphere and in the Earth's surface. It continuously radiated into the surrounding his world space huge amount of energy, mostly in the form of radiant energy, from which the Earth receives only 1 on the 2 billion parts. That's 3.3 multiplied times 8. W on kilometer square. Economic section of meteorology slides flows of radiant energy. On the slide, you see. Radiation incoming to the upper boundary of the atmosphere and the Earth's surface directly from the sun in the form of a beam of parallel rays called direct solar radiation. Radiation incoming to the upper boundary of the atmosphere and then the Earth's surface directly from the sun in the form of a beam of parallel rays called direct solar radiation. It changes over time within a small range, so it is called the solar constant in the bracket is 0. With an average distance from the Earth to the Sun, 149.5 multiplied 10 in the bracket 6 kilometer. A0 is about 1,400 W ton meter square. With the passage of the flow, of direct solar radiation through the atmosphere? Is it attenuation caused by absorption and dispersion of energy gases, aerosols, clouds? According to the law of weakening back direct solar radiation entering the Earth's surface with the shear solar rays S equal as 0 Tm, where T coefficient of transparency of atmosphere and number of optical mass of the atmosphere. The area of the direct radiation on the Earth's surface depends on the angle of incidence of sunlight. The flow of direct solar radiation incident on a horizontal surface called insolation. S equal S sin H. Direct solar radiation are reading on a horizontal surface and the diffuse solar radiation together make up the total radiation. Q equal S plus D. Total radiation which has reached the surface of the partially reflected from it creates a reflected solar radiation in the bright air K. The reflectivity of any surface can be characterized by the magnitude of its albedo in the bright AK, which is a defined ratio of reflected solar radiation to the total AK equal Q multiply 100%. The albedo of different natural surface in the bracket by Gajewski and by Bodica person. Surface, fresh dry snow, wet snow, humid black earth, dry black earth, dry loamy soil, dry sandy soil, fresh green grass. AK 80, 95, 60, 70, 88, 15, 20, 35, 25, 45, about 25. Surface, rye field, wheat field, potato field, cotton field, meadow, deciduous forest, summer, dry steppe. AK 10, 25, 10, 25, 15, 25, 20, 25, 15, 25, 15, 20, 20, 30. The difference between our radiation, the surface of the Earth, and the country radiation of the atmosphere called the effective radiation. E effective equal E EA. The difference between the incoming in outgoing flow of radiated energy is called the radiation balance of the Earth's surface in the bracket B. Incoming part of the radiation balance of the Earth's surface during the day is of direct solar radiation and diffuse and atmospheric radiation. The expenditure side of the balance are the radiation of the Earth's surface and the reflected solar radiation. B equals S plus D plus EA minus E Z minus R K. Thank you for attention.
Okay. Goodbye.
Bye bye.